What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by EasyAcc, and we're taking a look at their fast wireless charging pad. Now, this is a 10-watt wireless charging pad that is super premium looking because it has this leather feel on top, and that way you don't, mess up your phone when you toss it on here late night. And of course, it is QI enabled, so you don't necessarily need to use this with an iPhone, but we're going to be using an iPhone X in this case. Now, this thing supports the X, XS Max, XS itself, the XR, 8 Plus. It also supports Samsung phones, everything from S10, S9 to S8, and other QI-enabled devices as well. Now, in my testing, it charges super nice, and I also want to mention the fact that your battery health will actually do better if you use a wireless charging pad. You see, because the thing that degrades battery life, going from 100% to 80% that you guys can actually check in settings, is of course the fast charge, the super fast charge that pumps watts into your battery when you go and try to charge it super fast using a fast charge cable or a fast charge wall adapter. Well, most wireless chargers are fast charge, but they're not like super fast charge. They're not going to get your phone from 0 to 80% in like 40 minutes. It's just not going to happen. But over the course of the night, this is a perfect way to charge up your phone, and it's a super convenient way when you're like groggy. Just toss it on the table, and of course when the light goes green, it's charging perfectly fine. So of course, because it does the charge over the course of the night, it's a lot better for your battery health according to Reddit. Plenty of people have tested this out, so that is pretty awesome as well. Now, my second thing is it has an anti-slip leather on both sides, so of course your phone will stay relatively stable. And if you guys have ever had this problem with an 8, if you put it down on a table, sometimes it has a tendency to just slide around. Well, not to worry, this thing won't make that happen. If you're slightly worried that why shouldn't I just carry a charger and why should I carry this? Well, it only comes in at around 6.5 millimeters, so yes, you could just shove this in your back pocket if you're traveling or something of those sorts. Last but not least, guys, it's super decent looking. I have a leather table on top, and of course most of the things in my room are black, and this thing just looks super nice just sitting on the table with an iPhone X on top of it. And of course, if you want to get that look and impress a few friends for style points, then this is probably the best way to go. All in all, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and check this out on Amazon. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.